We started the trek for Mount Bromo to the crater. We've just come down this way from our hotel, which is Lava View Lodge, and this is a nice flat plain. We'll walk through this, and I believe we'll walk up a small hill. So we have climbed up till the mouth of Bromo crater. Oh, this is the caldera, the crater from which you see the smoke billowing out, and this noise is all from the volcano. And this whole green and yellow color you see, this is all sulfur deposits. Even the smoke is full of sulfur, and it keeps depositing on the walls of the crater. And you see this cloud. This cloud is all composed of this one, sulfur. And yeah, I think the air is also full of sulfur fumes. So, but it's not too much. We can stand there for a while. Then you have all this incline down to the mouth of the volcano, from where it's spouting out the fumes. There's no lava coming out, fortunately, as of now. You can see the bottom there. Now the spouting has become even more. You can see more volume of gases and fumes, smoke coming out of the crater, and you can really see the bottom of the crater almost, and then it goes all the way up. This is also another volcano. I think it's dormant. I went up to the mouth of the crater. Of course, they don't allow to go inside the crater. Now they are spreading all across because of the wind. Fumes are really spreading around. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, 1 a.m. and I have started for Paltuding, which is the base camp for Mount Ijen. And from there I will have to buy a permit, and after that I'll start my climb towards Mount Ijen crater. Then I think I'll have to come out of the crater again and do a climb to Lake Ijen, which is the most acidic lake in the world because of high amount of sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid in the lake. So it's 2 a.m. and I have started my climb, just entering the gate of Kawah Ijen trek. Okay, wish me luck. Just started walking, and it's a full starry night. You can't really see anything much, but it's full of stars, and it's quite cold here, but I'm doing okay. You see this trail of lights. These are the people, trekkers, who are coming towards the caldera. And now I will also make my move towards the crater mouth. Unfortunately, my guide is far behind, and I have come quite some way up, but I could not have waited for him. But because he seemed very slow since the beginning, he was stopping out frequently and asking me to move forward. So, I had to really leave him behind. But my gas mask is with him, and I'm really for last hour or so I've been really feeling very difficult. The wind is towards us. Now we have started to descend inside the caldera. Now we are going deeper and deeper inside the crater, and there is a traffic jam because some people are coming up, some people are coming down, going down, and it's actually very difficult to stand. I'm completely surrounded by sulfur fumes, and it's actually difficult to breathe, and I have a mask on. So I don't know how much of the way still remains, and I haven't slept a wink in the whole night, literally, and also before that Bromo. So it's begun to tax me a little. Let's see how I can keep up with it and see the so-called blue fire and come back. You can see this blue fire. For this, I have taken all the trouble to come here at the bottom of the volcano and see this fumes coming out. Oh my god, how I thought in the midway to go back. Don't remove your mask. Wow! Wow!
Dari sini bisa nggak sih karena bapaknya ini?
Itu besar sekali, besar tuh. Finally!
Don't try to go there. It's quite dangerous.
Okay. We just.
Lokal guide di sini meninggal.
Jangan.
Cukup siap.
Hi, bro.
Normalnya seperti ini, Pak.
Yeah, this one.
Come here. Maybe if you want to take picture for the fire. Come here.
Oh, apinya. Oh, jadi api itu karena ada panas bumi dan adanya bahan yang terbakar. Yang terbakar yaitu belerang. Bapak, belerangnya hanya ini di ujung-ujung ini.
I'm now in the bottom of the volcano, and you can see these blue fires everywhere. This is a blue lake. I'm still inside. You see the smoke. But now two things have happened. I'm gotten used to a little bit of fumes, and also the wind is not in my direction, so I'm okay now. It just went right up the holes from where the vents are there and from where the fumes are coming up. It was slightly hot, not too hot, at least up till there. I think it's not really too hot over there as well, but sometimes the liquid sulfur boils maybe due to the gas passing through it, not really due to the heat, maybe a combination of both. But